Koh Tao is a beautiful little island in Thailand, right by Champhan, Koh Samui, and Koh Phangan. The island's so small, you can get around the entire thing in about 30 minutes on a bike. When I first arrived at Koh Tao, it was my second day out of the USA, and all I could think about was how beautiful this island was and how beautiful the ocean is, especially as I was comparing it to Bangkok, which was still awesome and super beautiful, super unique, super interesting. However, it definitely is not Koh Tao. For the most part, it is quite a relaxed and pricey island for Asia. And most people go there mainly for scuba diving, as far as I know. And there is a little bit more of a lively side of the island, but for the most part, it's pretty chill. With most of the areas here centered around making tourists happy, everything pretty much looks perfect here. I think I spent about $20–25 a day. Walking up to this boat was my first time seeing the ocean. I think the boat ride there was 3 to 5 hours, and the weather was perfect for the next 2 weeks. No cloudy days, no rain, just sunshine and rainbows. It was beautiful. Getting off of this boat was my first time stepping foot on an island. I was super excited because it was my second day out of the USA, my first time leaving the country and having all these new experiences, obviously. I hurry off to a scuba dive center called Crystal Dive, and before I even see where I'm staying, I'm having my first dive class. After that, I got my keys and went to check out the place I was staying at, which was awesome and really close to the center. Had 2 beds, fans that kept the room more than cool enough, and it also included a 5 a.m. rooster alarm clock, just one house over, which was perfect actually, because I had to be at a class at 8 a.m. anyways, so it got me up just a little bit earlier than I would have gotten up anyways. And yeah, it gave me some time to enjoy the island a little bit before I, started scuba diving and stuff. And I went to the coolest fire performance I had seen at the time with a few girls that I met on the beach. All 3 of us had our first experience spinning Farpoint that night, and it was super awesome. I didn't explore all of the many things to do on this island, as most of my time was taken up with scuba diving every day. And the anticipation of the rest of my travels kept me in a rapture of excitement to continue moving on once it felt like all the good times were had. By the way guys, if you see some value from this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see some of the footage from my scuba dives, you can go ahead and click the link up above or the link in the description and check that out. My days to and on the island of Koh Tao were incredible, as I had my first time seeing, tasting, and being in the ocean. I had my first experience with scuba diving, snorkeling, motorbiking, fire spinning, poi, and jellyfish stings, which might not sound so awesome, but you know what? It was exciting. Koh Tao can be cheaper if you stay at a hostel and eat at cheaper restaurants. However, it also could be more expensive if you want to live a little bit more luxuriously and indulge in some of the more expensive things. Either way, this island is awesome, cool, rad, the bomb, the shit, the lightning, the thunder, and I would suggest it to anybody who's in the area for at least a couple days. Thanks for watching guys. If you'd like to see more travel content, hit the subscribe and I'll see you next time.